Hey, rudder enthusiasts, this is Rick Rosendahl. Just thought I'd give you a shot or look at the back end. This hasn't been posted yet, so anyways, it's our back end of the router workshop, and it talks about all our episodes and what they are. And so let me scoot through here and just sort of give you an overview. The 100 series is probably my favorite. It's got all the small projects on it, and each one of them are, as they are unlocked, will be able to use and look at. Oh boy, we did a lot of projects we built over the years. Even here, I like this one here, tin can geometry. Yeah, use tin cans to do your geometry. There'll be more of this when I get going here and talk to you. And then there's some of the projects that are there. So I don't want to bore you by going through all of these, but the more that we've got projects, even doing stairs and things, is phenomenal. I did a lot of work on the projects and come up with ideas on how to use the router to work. And you got to remember, this is all before the internet, 1995. And Router Workshop website is, I think, May of 1997. So is when it was registered. And we did our first internet stuff. So it's been a long time. And there is a lot of projects. So I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a preview of what we're looking at doing, and let you know that we're trying to get this up as quickly as possible, and hopefully you'll be interested in being a member of the Router Workshop. So anyways, that's a wrap for today.